The Daily Report. I'm used to Stanley Nyerungita. On sign language is Roda Nyamai. To some business news now, and Kenya's GDP growth forecast is projected at 4.7% in 2025 as the country continues to leverage advancements in digital technology, energy and transport infrastructure to enhance regional connectivity and trade. While this forecast is slightly lower than the initial projection of more than 5% by economists, the country's growth potential remains promising, driven by Africa's overall economic expansion. However, Kenya faces challenges in achieving stable fiscal reforms, which is compromising investor confidence.
These are growth positive. When you look at deregulation, you look at extension of tax cuts, and we think those, of course, will outweigh some of the potentially growth-dragging policies like tariffs. I think challenges are a little bit higher when you look elsewhere in the world. Growth is arguably at a lower level in Europe, where we are seeing policy respond to that. And across parts of emerging markets in Asia, of course, is a more mixed bag, with some economies like India exhibiting strong growth and others like China perhaps a little bit more moderate. But on balance, from an investor perspective, a positive view on economic growth in the US, we think is the key one, and that really is driving a lot of our overweight on equity markets.
Insights in terms of the areas that have opportunities in 2025, how they can position their portfolios, how they can invest both locally and globally to capture the areas of growth, and also to look at the areas where we could face some volatilities and challenges and see how we can mitigate that. We are very keen to look at the global equity market. We think that 2025 gives a much better outlook for global equities, led by the US